Hallo julle, baie welkom by Wolwer ons weekliks episode nommer 4. Ek en Dandre het dit goed gedink om hierdie week bietjie vir julle 'n mashup of 'n medley te sing van al die liedjies wat vir ons oor die jaar of 2 jaar vir ons baie beteken het en wat ons baie van gehou het.
Yeah, so welcome to all the English listeners and viewers. Like Landro said, this week we are doing a mashup of all the songs that we like and that have done very well the last couple of years. So the mashup's name is the Hello Medley, and this is how it sounds. If this is to end in fire, then we should all burn together. Watch the flames burn high into the night, calling out for the road. Stand by and we will watch the flames burn on the mountainside. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call you, never seem to be on. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. I'm gonna pick up the pieces and build a Lego house. If things go wrong, we can knock it down. And these words have two meanings, but there's one thing on my mind. It's all for you. And it's not gonna cool December, but I got you to keep me warm. If you're broken down and injured, I keep you sheltered from this storm that's raging on. Hello from the outside. Massive eyes, I can't say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart. My matter doesn't take you apart anymore. I'm bleeding out. If it's the last thing that I do is breathe you down, I'll bleed out for you. So I burn my skin and I count my sins, close my eyes and take it in. I'm bleeding out. I'll bleed out for you. So I'm bleeding out. If it's the last thing that I do is breathe you down, I'll bleed out for you. So I burn my skin and I count my sins, close my eyes